Hi there, this is Omron MIT5S Connect blood pressure monitor. This blood pressure monitor comes with different features. As you can see, this can be connected with a smartphone and it will save the BP data in the mobile and you can discuss with your physician anytime. And here this Omron MIT5S Connect comes with different features. This will show you the irregular heartbeat. This can be connected with a smartphone. This is the IntelliSense technology device. Will give you the BP data in systolic and diastolic. This save the BP data in the morning, in the evening also, and will give you the averages. This here OK button will be green if your arm cuff is wrapped properly. Otherwise, this another button will be orange if the arm cuff is not wrapped properly. This device can also be used for 2 users, as you can see, and will save the BP data separately for each users until 100. So let's unbox this Omron MIT5S. As you can see, this is the booklet guide. Okay, if you get any errors, so please refer to this booklet and you will get solution for that. Otherwise, I am going to explain all steps in detail here. As you can see, this is packed in a carry pouch. Open it from here. This is the arm cuff which we will wrap around our arm and we will take BP measurement. This is the monitor. As you can see, this is the BP monitor. I will show you here how to make the proper setting in this BP monitor here. This is the arm cuff. These are the battery cells which is used for this BP monitor. The arm cuff is enough even for the fatty person or even for the big arm also. You will install this tube here in the device. Now the battery we will install here. I will show you how to install the batteries now. Now let's install the batteries here. As you can see here, the sign plus and minus. You have to install the batteries accordingly to the plus and minus here, because sometimes the device is not going to start, so you will remove the batteries and keep it again properly. Now let's make setting in the BP monitor here. As you can see, when you connect this BP monitor with the smartphone, so the date and time will be automatically set, but here you can set by this button also. Press it here. As you can see, this is the ear, so by this button, as you can see, by left and right you can increase the ear, so we'll make it 20, 21. Press this button to confirm. Now the month is here. You can change the month by pressing this button. As you can see, we will come to 1. Okay, press the OK button, and this is the date by increasing the date here. Okay, and press this OK button, so the date and time will be set. Now this is the time. If this flashing button, as you can see, this is the time, so set the time here. Press this OK button, and this is the minutes. Okay, and press the OK button. Now the date and time and the year is set here. Now as you can see, this button here, this is for the morning and in the evening. When you measure BP data in the morning and also in the evening, so this will save the data and will give you the averages also. This button is the memory. As you can see, when you measure BP regularly, so by pressing this button you can check the memory. Otherwise you have to connect this BP device with your smartphone. Okay viewers, now how to use this BP monitor I will show you here. Take this arm cuff and wrap around your arm. Better if there is any clothes on your arm, remove it. It's very easy to use, as you can see in the video here. Wrap this around the arm normally and bring this tube in the middle of your hand. This is for the left hand. In the left hand you have to keep this in the middle of your arm. For the right hand you have to keep the tube in the inner side of your hand. Now wrap it properly, and by pressing the start button here, if you can see the screen, the BP measurement will start. Now let's start the BP measurement. Now as you can see, this gives the BP result and the systolic and the diastolic and also the pulse rate here. Now I will show you how to connect this BP monitor with the smartphone. You have to download this Omron Connect from the Play Store, okay, and make here the profile. We have already this app in our mobile. We have made profile in everything. You have make setting there. Then go to the home screen. Then go here to the devices. Click on this add devices, blood pressure monitor. As you can see, this app is giving you instruction how to connect. So you will press this button here on the device until the P appear on the screen, as you can see. Then select this MIT5S connect. And now wait for some time for this synchronization. The most important, you have to open the Bluetooth in your smartphone. As you can see, this pair and connect. Select this one, make it hello, pair it. Now as you can see, this is the user 1 and this is the user 2. As I told you before, this device will save data for 2 users until 100. Okay, we will select the user 1 and this will transfer the BP data from this device to the smartphone. As you can see, this is synchronized successfully. Let's check our BP data here. As you can see, it's transferred here. This is 127 which we measured before here. This is the same BP data here, 127 systolic, 88 diastolic and 72 heart rate. Now for each time when you want to transfer your BP data to the smartphone, so keep it, turn it off and press this button, as you can see here, and then you have to refresh this smartphone app, so your BP will be transferred to the smartphone. That's all about this device. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy.